Millions of fish decided to throw themselves on the beaches of the Philippines. This hippo started chasing after this tour boat.
Holy!
These birds flew in and stole all the fish he was trying to catch.
Let's go! It's raining. The forecast is raining birds, raining again.
This crew chased after a whale for 3 hours because they saw that it had a rope wrapped around it. So they jumped in and managed to finally cut it off.
Did you get it? Yeah!
This seal was about to get eaten by orcas but found safety on the back of this boat.